His body, baby, oh. Oh Lord, have His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come.
Alright, so the first thing I want to mention is this full ponytail I have on. I didn't actually fix it. You just clip it in to your hair. So I had it on in the video I did with my sister, my best friend, who knows me better. That video I did, and I realized that I didn't mention where I got it from. So it's from BLOT on Instagram. I'm going to leave that in my description box down below. So if you're interested in getting, they have different styles, straight, curly, whatever. So instead of going to the salon and all that, you just pack your natural hair off in a bun and just clip it in. Very easy, very simple. Like, this is my go-to hairstyle on a normal day. So first off, I'm going to start with primer, and the primer I'm using is from ZARON Cosmetics. See, I'm almost out. It's a really nice primer. It's silicone based. Next, I'm using this liquid illuminator from Doll by RACHAEL. With this product, a little goes a long way. I'm not going to use my fingers because I'm really not in the mood to use my fingers. If I use my fingers, I'm going to have to stand up and go and wash my hands when I'm done. I really like this product. So easy to blend. It applies really well, basically. There's some liquid highlighters that are just nasty. Like, nasty. I've used some Nigerian ones that are nasty. It won't blend, and then when you're done with your foundation, you can still see it, like, not in a flattering way. Like, this is really nice. Doll by NUBAN is also another really nice one. So now that I'm glowing like a disco ball, I'm going to go into foundation. And for foundation, I'm using this one from ZIKEL Cosmetics. This is the shade 07 Bronze. I'm not really sure if it's my color. It better be my color. Because this is the only foundation I have right here. To blend it in, I'm going to go into, everybody already knows, the very popular, the very famous NUBAN Beauty Blender. This is the one I use. This is the one I've been using for years. Like, since I started using Beauty Blender, I've been using the NUBAN Beauty one. It's really nice. But I actually prefer the red and black one to this black one. That one lasts longer than this one. This foundation is nice, so I'm shook. I'm actually shook. Guys, are you seeing this foundation? Hey God, this is actually my first time trying it out, and it looks really nice. And I didn't even use a lot. It's really nice. So guys, I wasn't expecting to like it. I'm not even going to lie, but it looks so good. If you don't really like full coverage makeup, you can actually use this. It's buildable. It could be full. Like, I didn't use a lot, but I feel like if I wanted a fuller coverage, I could still go in and put in another layer. This is really nice. Like, I can't stop looking at it. Nigerians, we're not smiling. We're not smiling at all. So for concealer, I'm also going to use ZIKEL concealer. There are about 7 shades. I'm trying to figure out which one to use. I think I'll use this one. It's called Cafe. I'm going to put caramel on top of it. I'm not going to be doing cream or liquid contour today. I'm going to be doing powder contour. Alright, so now that I'm done blending in, for setting powder, you guys already know, like, what else was I supposed to use? BEAUTYBYAD setting powder. I really love this shade Tawny on my skin shade. They have 3 shades, no 4. Translucent one, amber, which is more like Sasha, then this Tawny, then beige. So there's a darker shade for like people that are darker than I am.
say carry on. Say girl.
So to set the rest of my face and do contour, I'm going to go into the ZIKEL powder palette. Another really nice powder palette that you can get is the one from House of Tara. That was the first powder palette I ever bought when I was learning makeup. I'm going to use this shade for my normal face powder, and then I'm going to mix this too for my contour. You know, there was a time when I only used to do powder contour. I wonder when I started doing cream contour. Alright, moving on to brows. I'm going to be using the Hair Guy and Esther brow pomade. Another one that I really love is the BLOT one. This is the only problem I have with this Hair Guy and Esther. It tends to dry. So I'm always putting the Inglot Duraline in it to get it creamy, but the BLOT one, if you like, use it till you scoop out the little one left at the bottom. It doesn't dry up. I'm going to go into highlighting, and I'm still going to use the ZIKEL concealer.
She said she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you want, I want you to.
So I'm done with my brows. I set it with a little powder from the same ZIKEL powder palette. So going on to eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Beauty by AD. They just came out with 2 new eyeshadow palettes. This one is called Palette Jazzy, and this one is called Palette Twisted. So Palette Jazzy is a colorful eyeshadow palette. I like the packaging. It's like a velvet material. It's so lush, like it feels so good. So this one is Palette Twisted. So this one is for my nude family. Guys, in my last video I did a full-blown colorful eye. Please permit me, I'm going out. Let me do something that I can actually wear out. So I'm going to use the nude palette. For my transition color, I'm going to start with this one right here called Cox. Next color I'm going to use is this one called Fumi. So I'm going to bring this one down a bit. For my eyeshadow base, I'm going to use that ZIKEL concealer in Cafe. For my main color, I'm going to be using this one right here called Pelumi. Hope I pronounced that well. Yoruba people, are you proud of me? Did I pronounce that one well? I'm going to go back into this color right here to blend that out. Next, I'm going to go into this color called Kachi. To deepen my outer corner some more, I'm going to use this shade called Tosin. It's a dark brown shade.
She said she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, want you to be myself, make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh, Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh, Lord, so make you go down, girl.
Next, I'm going to be lining with the BLOT gel liner. It has rubbed off. It's like, it's old. I've had it for a while.
She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, You want murder me,
So I'm done lining my eyes. The next thing I'm going to do is use this LUZTA Cosmetics Color Splurge eyeliner. They have different colors. I'm going to be using yellow so that I can go with my Ankara, because this is the only yellow thing I'm incorporating in this look, because I kept the eyes really simple. So I'm just going to put this directly on top of the black liner.
I really like the way that you carry your body, say girl. You can stand by me anyway.
For mascara, I'm using the ZARON Lengthening Mascara. This mascara is amazing. Like, this is the only mascara I use right now. Like, if you use this thing for bottom lashes, I swear you don't have lashes, but from nowhere, lashes will just miraculously appear. Alright, for lashes today, I'm always using ALLURE by Chloe lashes. They are a Nigerian brand if you didn't know already, but today I was like, let me use someone else's lashes. So today I'm going to be using BLINQ lashes from Ronald the 7th. He's a makeup artist in Abuja. I'm going to be using the style Tokyo. Then for lash glue, people are always asking me, what lash glue do you use? What lash glue do you use? This is the lash glue I use. It's from SOOPRO Cosmetics. I'm loving these lashes, man. They're so nice, but I'm not understanding what's up with this yellow liner. Like, I don't know what's up. Like, it is breaking like crazy, and using it was a bit difficult. Like, I realized that if I layer on top of it, it will break. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like, if you just do one coat, I don't know, I didn't try one coat, but I feel like if I had done just one coat, it wouldn't break. But as I had to layer on top of each other, because it wasn't really popping the way I wanted it to, so I had to layer on top of it. So now it's breaking. I don't know, but I love LUZTA Cosmetics. Their glitters, their pigments are bomb. I've used them a couple of times on this channel, but I don't know, this liner is not really doing it for me. Maybe I don't know how to work it. I don't know. Please, if you've used it before and you know how to apply it, please let me know in the comment section down below. So for my waterline, I'm going to be using BINWA Cosmetics. I'm going to be using a green liner from them. This color is called VIRGO Green. Alright, so to finish up the look, I'm going to use the ZARON Lengthening Mascara. For blush, I'm going to be using the Mood Beauty blush. I'm going to be using this shade. Before I didn't used to do it to my bottom. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the ALLURE by Chloe highlighter in the shade Gold Baby.
I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me.
For my lips, I'm going to be using this lippie from ZARON Cosmetics in the shade Shady. Oh, this color. On top of that, I'm going to be using this Lippie from RUBELLITE Cosmetics. Do you guys see how cute this package? To finish up this look, I'm going to go into this SOOPRO HYDRA mist, HYDRA Glow Mist in the shade EXIE. This is the finished look, so I'm going to go off camera, get my African Queen slay on, and I'll be right back.
Angelina, you the cool in my temperature. If you call, I go come deliver. I no go fall in your hand never. So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina, with my Angelina. Oh me all down. Anytime when I see you for the club or the television, your body. Sure you know no safety when you carry 50 kilos somebody.